Hello YouTube, it's Speedy Gamer 2.0 back with another video, or should I say, video number 2. So, let's get started into Subway Surfers San Francisco, yep. And my goal today is to get to 100,000 points. Or I think they call them 100,000 points, I don't know. My high score on this game is like 7,000. Today my goal is 100,000, so, yep. Let's get started into the game, and before we do, start picking comments on who should I be next. So, let's see who could I be next. Trixie, Fresh, Spike. I'll be trying hard. You can pick whoever. I'll try hard on to get them. She's limited, so, yeah. Any of them. Pick your best one. So, let's get started into the game. Let's go. So, here's our daily question. I'm going to start to make those up. Here's our daily question. Who do you think is better in the NFL? The Falcons or the Patriots? Answer that on the comment section below. And let's get back to the game. I'm going to start playing this game called SAS 4. It's a zombie game, pretty cool game. Found it on the internet and start playing on them. So yeah. And I died. Save me. Ooh, I don't know if I can do that. I think it's the keys that help you. If you guys know it, well, you guys know it. That was a lot of keys that I was getting. Ooh, I think safer down here. Oh snap. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. That would be really helpful. Because I'm actually new here too. Just trying to get some subscribers. And I'm gonna start posting like videos about like other video games. And you guys could choose any video games that you guys would like on this. So just drop a like. And I died. Let's see if I made it. I'm pretty sure I didn't. And I didn't. So 15,000. Did not know that. Well, next time we'll try to be better. So, yep. Let's see. Shop. See what we can do in the shop. You guys drop a comment. Which one should I get the best? Which one's the best? I'm gonna get hoverboards. Oh, I have 28. Did not know that. Skip one mission. Skip 3 missions. Spend 2,000. Jetpack. Which one should I upgrade? So let's see. I'm gonna get first one. I'm gonna get is Mr. Rex. See what I can do. Trixie hat. So whoever wants Trixie is lucky. It may be lucky. All right. Goodbye, YouTube. See you in another video very soon. Later.